guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky. In today's video, I'm showing you guys this absolutely amazing Minecraft Park Edition now. It's actually going to allow me to head to the Peppa Dino Dimension. If you guys actually want to go ahead and head to the Peppa Dino Dimension for yourself, the name of the add-on is the Minecraft Park Edition Peppa Pig Dinosaur Dimension add-on, guys. Wow, that was a long name. But everything you guys are going to need is inside this one beautiful, glorious chest right here, guys. So let's go ahead and get right into this. So what you're going to need first, you're going to need 10 pink wool. You're also going to need fur lime wool. And you're also going to need a flint and steel to light it all up. And if you accidentally end up lighting up something else, you're probably going to want some enchanted golden apples. I'm also bringing along a puffer fish just for good luck. And I'm also bringing along a cake in case it's the dinosaurs or maybe even Peppa Pig's birthday. I'm also bringing along a chicken, a cow, and a villager in case the dinosaur gets hungry and he wants to eat somebody, guys, because I do not want to go through that again, guys. It ain't so bad when he eats you. What's bad is having to wait inside his stomach to come out. Whew, that's miserable, guys. But you make this frame, you want to put 2 pink wool in the middle, then 2 lime wool on each side, then 3 pink wool on this side, guys, with 1 lime wool on top. Boom. And then you just want to look around, make sure that you don't see Herobrine watching you, because he does like to watch us, guys. Trust me. One time, oh my god, is that him? No, I don't think so. One time, I was taking a bath, and then all of a sudden I looked out my window, and I seen him. He was in a tree, guys, watching me, and I was freaked out. I was really freaked out. I went over there, and he wasn't there, and I don't know what happened to him. But let's go ahead and jump down. Ooh, that hurt. And wow, look at this amazing frame you guys have just built. Just make sure Herobrine was watching you build it. Let's go ahead and light this baby up. And wow, that looks amazing, guys. Now it's time to go ahead and head into the mystery chest, guys. And in the mystery chest, we have TNT. And we have some redstone torches in case we have to blow up the peepin' Herobrine. We also have some raw pork chops and cooked pork chops. Whoa, what did Herobrine put in this mystery chest? Some freaky stuff, I can tell you that. But let's go ahead and head on into this dimension. Whee! Oh my god, I jumped straight through. Alright, let's try that again, guys. Wow! Oh, snap, there for a minute. I thought we was in the same place. Wow, that loaded up quick, guys. Whoa, what is this? This must be like some kind of dino cage or something, guys. Let's go ahead and head on up this ladder. Oh my god. Right there's the dino. Where's Peppa? Oh my god, down there's Peppa Pig, guys. Wow, giving her big dino a hug. This is amazing, guys. This is an amazing dinosaur. And he got his tongue sticking out, guys. Let's go ahead and try to hop on his back. He might be a little afraid if we come at him with a flint and steel, guys. He might be afraid that we try to burn him. But wow, he looks amazing. Although I wish he was kind of bigger and he was like a house on the inside. That would have been cool, guys. That would have been real cool. But what do you think, Peppa? You love him the way he is, and it is his birthday, and it's your birthday? You both share the same birthdays? Wow, then I'm lucky I brought the cake. I am so lucky I brought the cake, but look at him, guys. He is absolutely humongous. I would not want this guy to get angry at me, because if he did, he'd probably step on me, and if he didn't step on me and turn me into flat sausage, he would probably eat me. I guess at that point I'll just be chewed up sausage. But let's go ahead and leave this little dino cage. But before we leave this dino cage, I know a guy that's extremely afraid of dinos. That's right. Oh snap, is that Peppa's house? That's amazing. And the chicken somehow got out of the cage? I'm not for sure how our chicken got out of the cage. But let's go ahead and spawn our villager because he is extremely afraid of dinosaurs. Look at him. He's looking at us. He's like, how could you do this to me? Please, please let me out of here. But I'm not going to let him out of here, guys. I'm going to let him get ate. I'm going to let him sit inside that dinosaur's stomach for about 5 days. And then you guys know what happens. You guys know what happened. But wow, I did not believe they added the whole house too, guys. And oh my god, that must be Peppa Pig's mom and Peppa Pig's daddy and Georgie the pig. Wow, this is amazing. I was not expecting to meet her whole family. But wow, you guys have a beautiful house. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and spawn my cow because he just loves your guys' house so much. He loves sofas and TVs. And wow, this must be the fridge. They have a pufferfish, a cookie, and ew, they have a burger. Ooh, I don't want their burger. Ooh, that's just disgusting, guys. But I gotta go ahead and get rid of these pork chops before they start suspecting something, guys. And then if they find me with these pork chops, they're gonna probably turn me into some pork chops. Let me just go ahead and get rid of this in their sink. I do not want it back. Let's go ahead and leave their kitchen. Let's go ahead and head on up the staircase, guys, and see what's going on. And oh my god, what is up with all these gigantic TVs, guys? And what's inside these chests? Nothing? Nothing? How about this chest? Nothing? Nothing? You know, I'm going to go ahead and give her a cookie. That way, when she's sleeping, she's like, and then she wakes up, she will see the cookie in the chest. She will turn over, and she will eat it fast. And oh snap, I forgot to stick milk in the chest. So now she's probably going to choke. And she's probably going to die. But hopefully not. Hopefully not, guys. But I'm going to open up the house a little bit so them pigs can get out, guys. And what are you guys doing? They're still trying to use that little small hole to get out when I just open up a big gigantic hole for them just to run out of. Come on, run out of that big gigantic hole and go see the dino. I guess a pig just never learns. Oh my god, he actually got out. Where is he now? Where is he? Where's Georgie the pig? Right there's Georgie the pig. And he's trying to go see the dino. That's so sad that he ain't got hands. And he can't climb up the ladder to go see Mr. Dino. I might have to break out a hole so he can go and see Mr. Dino, guys. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dino down in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.